Welcome to Terminology Tutor. Today, we're exploring summer vocabulary. Let's dive in. Beach,
Stargazing.
Sunscreen.
Sandcastle.
Flip-flops. Sunglasses.
Swimsuit.
ice cream,
Picnic.
Barbecue.
Watermelon.
Surfing.
Snorkeling.
sailing,
Lemonade. Kayaking.
Hiking.
Camping.
Bonfire. Fireworks.
Road trip.
Amusement park.
Roller coaster. Ferris wheel.
Parasailing.
jet skiing,
Water park.
Rafting.
paddleboarding,
Sunbathe.
Relaxation.
Swimming.
Fishing.
Outdoor concerts.
volleyball,
Rollerblading.
Tennis.
Golfing.
Palm tree.
Ziplining.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to keep learning with Terminology Tutor.